We're here today at Gateway Terminal in New Haven, Connecticut to talk about their new Centerbogan 895 and their full hydraulic skip pan. This machine is particularly special because it is the largest Centerbogan ever made, fully electric, and it is the only Centerbogan to be running a skip pan right now.
We started this project a little over 2 years ago. Went through several reiterations of designs and adjustments and whatnot to the drawings. Finally came up with the plans of the machine that was delivered in 16 truckloads, and we could just bring it over here on site, assemble it piece by piece. We weren't able to get the proper size crane on land to assemble it, so we did the entire assembly from a barge crane and actually built the upper half of the machine on the barge, and then did a large pick of marrying the two together.
We'll have high voltage coming into a transformer that runs off of a 480 volt three-phase. Everything's fully electric.
Centerbogan worked with Bateman Manufacturing, and we formed true partnerships with Gateway and Bateman to take something that was just a concept to a drawing to a real life pan attached to a Centerbogan 895. So the material is brought in to Gateway Terminal, stacked and stored until the ship is scheduled to arrive. When the ship arrives, Gateway Terminal uses haul trucks, hauls the material out to the dock, and dumps the material into the skip pan. This is a unique application in the sense that this is a clean dock, or what we call a sterile dock. No material can be dumped directly onto the dock. It has to be dumped into the skip pan to be loaded onto the ship. So we came here today to do a cycle time study, to have an understanding of how efficient the Centerbogan 895 is with a fully hydraulic skip pan. What we wanted to know was how long it takes for the truck to back into the pan, dump the material in the pan to lift off of the bulkhead, to dump into the ship, and to return to dig. That is one cycle.
You're going from lift off to touchdown?
I'm going lift off to touchdown, because that's the non-variable. That's going to be no variation from trucks, no variation from dump speed, no variation from pull speed.
Yep.
And go. Yeah, see, he's pulling up and out even before the arm is up, which he should be for a quick cycle time. And he's still going easy, which I appreciate. Swinging, swinging. Yep, he's going to dip a good 10 feet right now for safe. Yep, position. Now that's still a good directional load. He's still putting it in the hole where he doesn't have to trim, but he's not dipping all the way down to the load.
Yep.
And see, now he's got to drop weight. This is a true test. Nice rotation. Still spinning, coming down. So smooth. Yep, and he's down. We did a total accumulation this morning of around 60 cycles, and we're going to calculate the average of those cycle times. So in this application, cleaning our trucks, running the machine at a good pace, without hard strokes, and place material to cut down on trimming time, it makes sense. But if he had trucks lined up back to back, he'd be pumping these pan loads, and well, we just did 51.14, right? And he still dipped for 4 seconds. So he would be in the 45 to 46 second range for a true cycle time. So the previous method was the same in how the material is delivered to the dock, but it's a lot different in how the material goes into the ship using the Centerbogan versus the wire rope crane. The Centerbogan being in a material handler configuration, you can actually rotate the pan versus the wire rope crane had no pan rotation. Two advantages that Gateway gained using the Centerbogan 895 was one, they were able to use the state of Connecticut grant, which gave them 60% remittance on the sale price and infrastructure. The second advantage is we learned that we have 40% faster load time than their previous method. I'm very proud of Centerbogan's ability to make true partnerships with our customers. To understand that this came from just an idea drawn out on a cocktail napkin to